Flood levels in northern Odisha began to ease on Tuesday. At Rajghat, the Subarnarekha river is expected to flow below the danger mark by evening. Water Resources Department Chief Engineer Chandrasekhar Padhi confirmed that levels will drop further by Wednesday morning, signalling gradual relief for affected areas. While the Boitarani has already receded at Okhwapada, several blocks in Balasore, Jajpur and Bhadrak remain under strain. The most severe impact is in Jajpur's Kani river belt, where an embankment breach has inundated dozens of villages. Authorities expect repair work to begin within 2 days. In southern Odisha, rivers like Vamsadhara, Nagavalli and Kolab showed only slight rises with no abnormal flow reported. At Hirakud, 4 gates were shut, leaving 8 in operation to balance discharge. Meanwhile, Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Suresh Pujari visited Jajpur's worst-hit villages. Nearly 40 villages across 15 panchayats have gone underwater due to the bridge, and the flood's reach may expand further. 3 ODRAF teams and 2 fire services units are now deployed for rescue and relief, as officials assure that repairs will start as soon as waters recede.
सुवर्णरेखा रे आमर स्थिति रे सुधार आसुची वर्तमान तार राजघाट रे आमर जो लेवल जाइथिला हाईएस्ट लेवल सेठू वर्तमान धीरे धीरे खसी आरंभ होची 10.71 ता आगु तो अधिक जाइथिला पुणी सेटा खसीथिला 10.55 हेतिला तापर पुणी आउथरे सेटा बढ़ीकरी 10.71 हेतिला एगेन वर्तमान खसुआ स्टेज रे अछि आ आमे आशा करछु आज संध्या सुधा सेटा विपद संकेतर तलू पलि आसब ता सहित आगामी काली माने आज मध्यरात्र कि आगामी भोर रे आगामी काली भोर रे सेटा इवन वार्निंग लेवल तलू कमी आसब तापर आम देखुचु जे सुवर्णरेखा रे कोनसी वर्षा विशेष हेई नाही गतकाली तेणुक यहाँ निश्चित भाव शुभ संकेत आमर जामशोला घाट रे